Hey guys, so and welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be doing a video on this box right here. I'm also joined by two glamorous assistants here. So, yeah, right, so basically the story behind this is there was a listing on eBay for a bundle of like computer components and stuff, so I ordered it, or I actually won it for £20, including shipping. It was like £10 shipping. So we're just gonna like dive right in and see what we've got. So right off the bat you can see there is two PCI cards here, which I believe these are, yes, these are Win TV cards. I already have like a few of these, so I'll probably just sell them. Let's head up. Also got a few. I think this is just a. Oh, I'm not too good with these. I think that's. Correct me if I'm wrong. SCSI to printer port. I'm not too good on that, but seems to be caught up with this here. What is this? Right, just throw that down. We've got a few discs here, so Bluetooth USB adapter. Alright, oh, we got. Oh, wow, okay. I would have needed these a few months ago, because I had to end up ordering some. This is when I had my HD 5450. For my HP Slimline video, which I accidentally deleted. I'm not sure whether I'm going to re-upload it, but yeah. Hornet? Don't know what that is. I don't know what that is, but I'll look at that at some point. ATI DVD player. Okay, I've not seen that before. That's might come in handy, you never know. I think this is, yeah, this is a licensed copy of Power DVD 5. Okay, that's cool. Another, wait, I think this one's open. Ultralight. I think these are just a load of like shareware games. So like that was. Oh, they seem to all be like flying games though. So Rally, the Rally Championship and the X Miles add-on by Thrustmaster for Windows 95. Okay, that's cool. One of the ASUS, one of those shareware things again. Power F1. Ooh. Right. Whatever that is, Korea game, I think. Flight Unlimited 2. And Flying Corpse Gold. So, yeah, that was cool. We've got a Samsung micro USB charger. I've needed quite a lot of these recently, so that will come in handy. What I've got here. Nice. Xbox 360 component cable. That is handy. Oh, one of my assistants is leaving. 1 second. So yeah, that was it. Oh, the other one's leaving too. There you go. That's all done. Right. What have I got here? I was actually curious by these. Seem to just be parts from a laptop, maybe? These look like hard drive caddies. Some sort of. Yeah, no, I don't know. A laptop. Is this. I do not actually know what this is. Wait. Oh, so I think, yeah, no, okay. me. This is a VGA splitter, so you connect that into your video card and you get 2 outputs. That's actually really handy, especially for a lot of older boards. What is this? Kodak power adapter? Something. Don't know what that is. Probably like a replacement one. This. I have hard drives, like external hard drives that use these, and I've been missing some of the power adapters. Sorry. So yeah, that will come in handy. A TV remote for a TV, my old TV actually. Yeah, so I have 2 controllers for that now. And now we come on to the really good part of this. So we got this ECS. Yeah, ECS H2000. Yeah, that's AM2. Yeah, AM2 motherboard. That's awesome. Obviously, I'm glad they took out that CMOS battery just in case. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah. Okay, I'll keep that like protected over here. Now we got another motherboard here. What is this? Aha, this is the ASUS one that I saw. Right. So once again another AM2 board. Same basic thing. That is nice. Can't believe it. There's so many motherboards in this bundle, so be prepared. This is the main reason I wanted it. They were selling it like super cheap. Oh, there's a few things here. What's this? Ah, yeah, this was interesting. A PCIe, PCMIA slot adapter thing. So there's a 11 megabits per second wireless LAN PCI card. That's handy or useful, probably. I'm not sure. Here's just a IO shield. It might be for one of these motherboards. I'm not sure. There's the other bracket for that low profile bracket thing. Whatever. Aha! This is the Dell motherboard. BTX. Oh, it's caught on something. Right. So this looks, yeah, this is pretty much just a 775 motherboard for a Dell. I'm not actually sure which model. It didn't say or anything. So, yeah. Not sure what I will do with this, but it might be good for testing stuff because I don't actually have a 775 motherboard anymore, because I sold my last 775 machine. So yeah, so a sound card. What is this? What? I don't know. It just looks like some sort of cheapo thing. Cheapo dealio. Yeah, I'm not sure. Not sure on that. That can be used. Oh yeah, I just want to say, before anyone like jumps to my comments, do not ask me to send you this stuff, because I bought it with my own money, and I will not be sending it to you just because I don't need it. I just want to make that very clear. Right, okay. Here's another... Oh no, this is a socket 939. Okay, I'm not really too sure on my AMD boards, but I'm pretty sure 939 is AM2, so that's a cool motherboard there. Yeah. Sweet. Right, where am I going to put this one? Right, and then this is something I was very much looking forward to experiment with. Here we go, right. Here is an ASRock board with AGP, which is why I wanted it so much, because I wanted to rebuild, or actually just build a retro gaming computer, because my Compact Desk Pro is the one I'm currently using and it doesn't have any AGP slots, so I can't put a decent graphics card in it, which sucks. But yeah, this is gonna be very handy, and it's got so many like PCI slots here, which is just awesome. So yeah, and that's it for the box. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video, probably when I like start building computers with all this. I told a friend that I was going to build him a computer, so I have to pick whatever motherboard I'm going to use. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. And wait, I need to zoom out. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.
Dude, you're getting it down.
This Windows 90